Today I want to show you guys this MOUNTRAX foot massager. The brand sent it to me to make a video. This is really nice, very cool unit. It has a bunch of cool features and very easy to operate. You just turn it on, and once you turn it on, you will be able to cycle through different timer, 15 minutes to 30 minutes, and you can activate the heating or you can just turn it off. And same thing on the bottom, the rollers, you can just put it on the high, it will start spinning faster. You can completely close the roller, and you can just allow the air compressor or just keep it on the heat without the other two options. That is really nice, very unique feature. So over here, once you press this, you will get compression even around your ankles here. That is really nice, very cool features. Most of the devices I tested doesn't really have this compression on the side. You can see it just goes pretty nice and provides really decent pressure, and it feels really cool. And as I mentioned, you can turn on the heat, and once you do that, it just feels really good. And the best part, you can take out the socks here. It comes with this. I just took it out to show you guys. You can see it has this removable socks that you can easily take it out. It has zippers around, so you can see this zipper goes, and once you are ready, you can just put it back here. It just goes all the around, and there is a velcro on the other end, so it just goes all the way inside, and it just sticks and keep everything in place. You can see once it's put in, this is how it looks. And it has nice large area. Even if you have bigger feet, you can just put, so you can see on the bottom it has suction cups as well. This allow it to just stay in place without like moving around. That is really cool feature. Overall, this performs really well. I really like the way it operates. I hope you guys found this useful.